Upbeat music plays. Cut to a bright, cheery kitchen with the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop on the left and the Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop on the right. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make purchasing decisions that are smarter than your average bear. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of mops. Yep, you heard that right. Get ready for the ultimate showdown between the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop. And trust me, this is going to be hotter than a jalapeno in a sauna. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is priced at $144, making it a premium option for those serious about their cleaning. Reviewers have noted that it comes with extra mop covers and attachments, which adds to its value. On the other hand, the Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a more budget-friendly option at $99. Many users have praised this product for its effectiveness and versatility at a lower price point, making it a great deal for those looking to save a few bucks. So, while the Bissell offers more features for a higher price, the Steam and Go provides excellent value without breaking the bank. Next up is functionality. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off is a 2-in-1 steam mop that can tackle both floor and above surfaces, making it ideal for pet messes. Reviewers rave about its ability to clean grout and leave surfaces spotless without any chemicals, highlighting its effectiveness in deep cleaning. Meanwhile, the Steam and Go 10-in-1 is all about versatility. It can transform into a handheld steamer, allowing you to clean everything from floors to curtains. Users love the adjustable steam power and various attachments, making it a true multitasker in the cleaning department. In summary, the Bissell is great for pet owners, while the Steam and Go shines in versatility. Now let's talk design and portability. The Bissell PowerFresh features a 25-foot power cord, giving you plenty of reach while cleaning. Reviewers appreciate this length, especially for larger spaces. On the other hand, the Steam and Go has a slightly shorter 20-foot cord, but boasts a detachable base, allowing for easy maneuvering and storage. Users have noted its portable size and lightweight design, making it easy to handle during cleaning sessions. Both mops have their strengths, but if you're looking for reach, the Bissell takes the lead, while the Steam and Go offers more flexibility in use. Finally, let's discuss heating time. The Bissell warms up in just 30 seconds, which is perfect for those who want to get cleaning quickly. Reviewers have highlighted this quick heating as a major benefit, especially when in a hurry. The Steam and Go, on the other hand, promises enhanced pressure and quick heating as well, making it effective for tough dirt. Users appreciate its fast heating time, although some have noted that it can be a bit less consistent. Overall, both products heat up quickly, but the Bissell might have a slight edge in reliability. Overall, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop garners praise for its deep cleaning capabilities, especially for pet owners, while the Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is celebrated for its versatility and value for money. Both products have their unique strengths, appealing to different cleaning needs. So which steam mop is the winner? If you're a pet parent looking to tackle messes on multiple surfaces, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off is your best bud. But if you want versatility and a little more bang for your buck, the Steam and Go 10-in-1 is a fantastic option. Remember, folks, whether you're cleaning up after your furry friends or just trying to impress your in-laws, a good steam mop can make all the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart shopping tips. And let us know in the comments which steam mop you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep it steamy and keep it smart. Outro music fades out as the screen displays Buy Smart with social media links.